ne go for bi to say bring nya say the for MPP ni na go me ma say say na we nso be bagi ya kwakoye
abuza from mu nyina makwaba e de bagana and Sam TV so but omo dey so be like video no be subscribe to the channel no what turn on notification say be next time videos of this nature eba also sabit makabina so akere wa the comment section ho na be hu bia from Mr President Amajo so TikTok o comment section o ba bia be hu bia from Mr President Amajo so ko yin na edwum say that bia no e betim the new patriotic party aba power na ya bana Ghana fo nyina ho ato ko amamo we die e dey need to Sudan say man we need that bia na de bia me ka sem bi say amanyasom ne yeye no so wa mo ni anda ho a ho be kire pa the moment I be hold the public office and say who say you own it a responsibility, I mean a sole responsibility to serve the ordinary Ghanaian. But I think say I do retirement nkofo bebree if you say a public office no more hold it. As a result of that, it is their sole responsibility to impact and improve lives of people. They have forgotten about that. Abushami chankra, momi enko. Yenko ko video bi mra. Na video no we are going to take our time and digest the issues out of the perspective of the ordinary girl, not the perspective of Mr. President here. Women commerce is here.
so for Owusu Bempah so for Pacho the crane amene me say bu from why kotoge susu bu from Y0U no time we no erados before I know about you and I say no how and you need to be only asem I the second of your pro issue I want go for bi to say bring nya say the for MPP ni na go me ma say say na we nso be bagi ya kwakoye ya say I driver akopa asay na me dua ni na for e mu me srew say na na do no wi what ya say kwana ni nkonkonya na MPP ni so nja na MPP no yo and you go back for no before and I will go be penny ma say na go cho aba ma wan and go cho aba ro wan konya bai are why you know you are so now you hwese na ye this is the politics about so lo me e ka preach no we message ni go for the man no bi ni e say so mo be politics ya no anu no every before omo go acha wi awu unya nyame are ya ko acha sa o de bia na go cho aba ma wan and go cho aba ro wan konya bai are why you know you are so now you hwese na ye this is the politics about so lo me e ka preach no we message ni go for the man no bi ni e say so mo be politics ya no anu no every before omo go acha wi awu unya nyame are ya ko acha sa o de bia do jira na ujira ya ko ya mu bia ko acha sa ya say to her is woman so give his divorce why man of moka de bia moka as you see de bia na I say de bia ko macha wa so say bi ba you answer when say a cha pa no as a you pay you say are baba o no from da obi ni o ye konku asase we so bisa wo say o so from da na ni from the chair when MPP ni ba ko pege wa bani a unti mi van champion for ni na na bia wo bo wo chi sa do mi wo mo ana me do mi say unti ma tira ko nyam so me ana mo o suru sira wa o eni pa be ja ko fi agada MPP o mi ni na be mo ma ba so mi ni ma unti mi no hu
and something kilometers. If you enter a canoe, how much of Ankobra can you police? And so with the collaboration of the finance minister, the Ministry of Defense and Ministry of Interior Police came with some requirements that they need, you know, for patrolling the water bodies, and then equipment they need to maintain. They need tents for the forest reserves. Once they've cleared the Galamsey operators, they need to have tents where they can camp the soldiers and have kitchens where they can cook their food and all that kind of thing. So we're working with illegal mining. Illegal mining has eaten into the fabric of our society. And I must say that it is not only a menace to our society, but it has involved the circle of traditional rulers, political party appointees and everything. And so even when one party changes, those who were running some operation who were to one party will go to the next party and say, oh, now that you have come and take over this operation and let's share, and we too will be getting small. This is what we're doing. And so I don't kid myself that we don't have our own people involved. And the work of the don't have our own people involved. And so I don't.
So, man, pay admit one in Crawford. That is why Wama, the Attorney General, Trokata Koma Yoku. Sanko for me, Nakosi saying. Now, where crowd Yameti Yano, and they are making Kayano, and young time I won't to me, yes, it was Jai, and then crowd time will be Amanaqua assassin, so Aquasa assassin, 20 years. Nani Pano say assassin, so Quasay. The Canada.
Edemano unya Kamila Al-Hassan ayi teacher ni yo say hwan ya woni akora bi de ba yi o de ne betina ho sopa na wo DJ ke unim se atintenhu ta woto na wo hwiri treasure unim se atintenhu eta woto na wo hwiri treasure onzo obi anka bi ma o DJ ke onzo obi anka bi ma sa na wiase ne tie so obi asamba fa we ya futuo obi asamba susuka na wunnim de da wanim obi asamba susuka na me me sreba wo se ebi mu be defend no wo be defend DJ K sasai enim guase we ya wagu ne ho DJ K nya ni pa asem wo ka no okromu a me se me DJ K no minim de ntia me se me kasa wakama asem me wakama asem ya asa ne ye nya nipa asa ye de ne ye mfura busuam ene de wo me se baby awo no ankasa no baby isu no ko fine na faye somebody can catch us say afaye pa enti ne yentimi enka no se de nke ese ye ka no ene wo nti Kamila Al-Hassan ocha krom ha chese DJ K na wo ni nyansa se ne hwan wo krom ha so obi ya na ade na wonti ase a memfa ne se nipa ne sabi onim de wo ye unim nyanza se ne hwan wo krom a on say so tam yesi wo platform ne so a ya na memfiu utam me a me nua ba political babies esi wo platform ne so a on say ya na yemfiu ya na ho ye sere ya na video ni ye hwe ni say ya ene de ho na ho hye wo no ene wo na ho hye wo no me se Kamila Al-Hassan ba bi owo bia ne kra ene ne kra ni beba ne ho so ne kra ni beje na explanation be na de be abonten endra me ye video ba akoma na no ne part 1 we ye part 2 me twen so obesa ba abonten abekeka obeti aden na mumu bi munya nipa munsusu ha DJ K Mrs. wa we ya we nsem a o ka fa me ho DJ K and then na o hye ho no next time ufu akokwa a obefre no alolo ewiase na hokwa ene ewiase no ensa emmeka wono yenkoka no ano a emmeka wono yenkoka no Kamila Al-Hassan video ba wo si obia wo ho kwan se video ba abonti on be kirechiro ma adwene ene wo so de aba ye be kirechirem ye de pen ni paper beto ho na okra se won sa anya good unsa anya good
wo de be man ko foforo won ma assembly won ma sanitation bio anya wa sa sanitation for disika yakwaji loan na breast sanitation for won fa nya hwe na wo ba obeje fi sanitation for na wo je ye no anya wa sako hwe no sako shi ta nso tonshina baby shi hey who ya dio nkwa ho ba eja hihie hey Mr. Pad unya ba perfect intro say what a pad sanya wide wo do say pad na be ye bibia mo It took about 15 minutes. You can even waste as much as 1.5 hours. So we are just pleading. They should just come to our aid. Make it a little more trouble so that it will be. I'm a teacher and I'm still here. My learners are in school waiting for the teacher and the teacher is still here. So we are just pleading. They should just come and fix it for us. We beg them. How long have you been waiting? Oh, I got here for almost 4 hours. Yeah, if I'm not, yeah, 4 hours. Because I got here before 6 o'clock and we are still here. It's 9 something. So it's more than almost 3-4 hours we've been here. And so these are the more residents who are gathered here, sharing their flight here. I understand your frustration, but let me engage some of the organizers of this particular demonstration. Now we understand you've blocked the road for close to 3 hours. She says she's a teacher. She's not able to go to school. So how long are you going to continue this?
Amasaman, more than 4 hours. More than 4 hours.
Join down. See, we did be a can once. On my way, just say you name on my issue. I walk. For your shady, my papa, and not down who for Dr. Large Mahmoud Bomia, you get them out on my way. Any 2024 elections, echo, and no, my Dr. Bomia, and then a digital Ghana for some bar, way, I may mamona. Monsieur, Maki and Sem Patadi and Sakai. Serious. So, in fact, on my bit, me could borrow or my be presidency. On my bit, me could borrow or my be a leaders. KBA, the new patriotic party, the leaders of the party, KBA, borrow another African country to cause development there. For the first time in the history of the country, we have generalized free senior high school. The word is generalized. For the first time in the history of the country, we have active drone delivery systems. For the first time in the history of the party and of the country, Yetimi Enya active and well facilitated health facilities across the length and breadth of the country. Agenda 111. We may say impuye because the agenda na the person here number of hospitals and the is intimate because of time. But those ones go and see how they have been operationalized. And then me look at say we have some of the hospitals in fact, yeah, equipping hospitals are all right, but because of political tantrums and political gains, me look at say yeah, hospitals and they go sana no me say. It is a Kenyan who say na no me nyina be ya. It is a scan kan kan dey wasa botumi say oh, I mean say we say people for ya comfort. Name ma comfort ma sacrifice discard to what they are hospitals na mo so mo ya comfort. A comfort ma facilitate me say on be fund free seniors mo so mo ya comfort. You say anya Ghana for dey bi. Na fe na tables na 10 afi dem mo keke mo kakaka. Why are they shouting? Obi ankara no ntum na nko no ho. Asofo no mo nko ma ntum with the greatest of respect. Omo nko ma ntum na nko nyina ho. Chief imam for nko ma ntum nko nyina ho. Politicians nko ma ntum nko nyina ho. Market women omo nko ma ntum nko nyina ho. Obi ankara no ntum nko nyina ho. 2020 Jua, then we will know the way forward. Yeti kroma obi so ono ba ono the credit scoring system be ba mo so open konketenkete. Nanze bibini na nkasa de se bi ye bibia yanketenkete ya adwen yanketenkete ye bibia ye bia invest square ye yanketenkete. We want everything in pieces. We don't want everything in bulk. Adi asem kra ni. Obi ma credit scoring system also open konketenkete. Obi introduce electric or electronic bus systems, most of them konketenkete. Is any one there? You people chose policy, you people chose music over policy. Then you tell me ho papa, and I feel them go watch them. Me na wo ne wo sia chem say bi, me na me go catch you radio ndama ni ma say all members come to do one. Ye wa ha. Digitalization ye start say ye mo say there bi. Digitalization and to kinki, nti mo pe kinki sika. Nti amamu papa na ba, omo ma mo kinki, amamu a ade na mo kam. Ye wo krom ha ya. And the Rajon the money mama could not and can form Gafon catch up say, oh, Gafon, oh, now what they are making and we have utilization here. And I got for so can you but to Banama boom, 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 much about my kinky government. It's me.
Say, dear, go your credit, and you now to me who let a be a yoke of what Troy about Council of State member voter region. Now, Miss Fiums, hey, Ramona Chapa ya hyping say where can say Israel train, Israel train.
But the issue is true.
Okay, the letter now was say Council of State member no, were former staff Emanam 1, which is never true.
Onya Juma order.
Onya Juma or da. And Onya Juma or da. Amanam 1 for the first time. Nam 1 I post. Oh yes, Nam 1 I post.
Yeah, no catch you. We say, oh, the panel boy.